Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the Clips app on your phone to make videos. You can use it on your phone or an iPad. I'm just choosing to use my phone because I have more pictures on my phone. So it is an app though that has a blue circle with a video camera on it. It's called Clips. It's a free download from the App Store. So I'm going to open that up, and I've actually got some videos that I've already made in here, but I'm going to create new. So I'm going to tap the create new button, and really the thing to understand about Clips is that everything you do in it is basically set up so that it's all square. It's not necessarily landscape or portrait. Everything it creates is square, so you want to hold your phone in portrait mode when you're using it. But basically you can get to anything in your library. You can add posters, you can do all kinds of things. So I'm just going to go into the posters to start my video off here, and you can choose like any of these that you want. They often have like little animations on the beginning of them. So if I wanted to add this one, you just tap on it and it adds it in, and then you can change what this says. So this could be like, you can make it have any title that you want. So I'm just gonna say, whatever, right? And say apply. And then what you're gonna do is you just press and hold on the pink button here, and that actually records it in. So I'm just gonna press and hold. And basically I just held it long enough to play through the animation. So now when I hit play, it shows that animation. Okay. The other thing is, since I was talking, it probably had my voice on there. But you can mute that. So when you tap on a clip, you get the option of turning on live titles, putting an effect, muting, deleting, trimming, or saving. So then if I want to add some more pictures from my library, I can just pick on different things. So like I can pick this picture of me and my cat. And then what I would do is just press and hold for a few seconds to let that picture come in my video. I can also speak while I'm recording the video. So I can say, this is my cat Marie. Now, when I play this, this is my cat Marie, it's got my voice on it. But if I turn on live titles, I can choose to have the text actually come in on that particular part of the video. So it's playing. This is my cat Marie. Now understand that whenever you have live titles, you can go in and edit the text. So if I wanted to put a comma in here, I can. As long as you don't change it too much, because it's timed to your audio. So you got to kind of keep that in mind. But if you need to fix like a little spelling mistake or just something like that, you can. You can also change the style, so you can just make this look different, however you want it to look. And then when you play it, this is my cat Marie. Sometimes what I like to do also is just have the text come on the screen but take my voice off. So even though I was saying, this is my cat Marie, I can tap mute, and now when I play this video, it'll still show the text on the screen, but you won't hear my voice. So I like to do that a lot of times. Let's go ahead and use live titles and talk just to get the words in there, but then mute myself. So that's an option as well. And you can add all kinds of things. So you can add different pictures. You just tap and hold. And then that's basically all you do, is you just go grab photographs that you want to use. And add those in there. So now when you play, it goes through, you can always see what it looks like. Now, if you accidentally forget to put your audio in there and you want it, you just delete the clip. You just tap and delete. You just press it and hit the trash can. It takes it out. You can also grab these little clips and rearrange them in whatever order you want. If you open one up, you can also trim it. So if it's too long, too short, you want to make it longer, you can do that there as well. Okay, so the other thing you could do is add these what are called effects. So you can actually put filters or different things on your photographs to make them look a little bit different. You can add text. And then you just basically grab this little, everything is to touch, so you just can move it. You can edit that, you can make it say something else. And there's a bunch of different ones on here. You can add stickers. You put the sticker on there, and you can even like pinch and resize the sticker. So there's a lot of different things on here. Okay, you can add emojis too from your emojis. So you just place them on, and you can always make them bigger or smaller. So I usually come in here and mute all these. Now, if I want to add music, there's a music note up here at the top. You just tap the music note, and you can go to soundtracks, anything that you've already, these are the ones that are associated with clips, but you can also look in your own music and see if there's anything there that you want to use. The soundtracks, you can't really preview them, but if you already have, you can just kind of tap on them. They just download. If you find one you like, you just select it, and then it adds it. I think. Yeah, it's already there. So you can only have one song. You can't add multiple songs like you can in iMovie. Keep in mind, Clips is meant to be a quick editor. It's not meant for you to like do any heavy video editing. It's really supposed to be easy and quick for you to create sort of really nice videos for social media sharing and things like that. I can see this being a great way of making a video about your class or things your students are doing and sharing it out. I made a video. Oh, and by the way, when you're done, you tap on the little share at the bottom, and that's where you want to save the video or save to files. If you export the project, exporting is actually like saving it still as an editable clips file, and you don't want to do that. If you're trying to share it on social media, then you want to say save video. That'll put it in your photos, and then you can just add it to any type of social media that you want to. Just to show you an example of a video that I did for my daughter, she went to Art Unleashed, and their art club did, and so I took pictures of the kids working and made this video. And so if I tap play now, it kind of shows with that video. That was a poster. There were where I was using live titles. So I added different pictures. Had video. Added the stickers. Those are just stickers. More video. So I'm not going to play the whole thing, but basically you can make a pretty nice little video using Clips. So I would encourage you to try it. I'm sure if you go to the Apple Teacher Learning Center, there are some videos on there about how to use Clips, and I'd be happy to help you as well.